lovely person named Greg/Susan
Hello!
found this Doorables Winnie the Pooh collection, and what I love about the packaging, it's flocked.
Yes, and Mom, where did Susan find it?
It is from the San Diego Comic-Con.
So it is an exclusive. It is flocked, and this is Mr. Sanders.
But who doesn't love Pooh?
So Mom,
So
here's the back.
Here's the full collection.
Yes, and Mom, I think we only have 2 of these because we couldn't find them anywhere in Pittsburgh, and we looked everywhere.
But
We went to 8 stores. I still have PTSD from the Doorables
Greg
set.
and I went everywhere to try to find them.
well, this is like a box of chocolates, but it is.
We all know what we're gonna get this
We
time.
know
though.
what we're gonna get, and look at how lovely. And the gold one's right in the trunk of the tree.
So the gold one here is right here at the bottom, whereas all of these are flocked, and they even flocked here and elevated some of the tree leaves. Here's the inside of it with the clouds.
Here's the packaging.
And here's who we get. So what are our options here, Mama? It looks like a cowboy.
Yep, a cowboy. Let's see. Well, this one's definitely soccer. That one, what do they call? I don't know what
They don't tell them what
They
the names
tell
of
you.
them are. That one is backpack. He has a backpack on.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
We
back
have
to school?
Back to
Pooh.
school. Maybe backpack Pooh.
Aviator.
Yep.
Winter Pooh.
Honey
Oh.
Pooh.
Honey.
Oh, he's eating honey.
And I'm just gonna call this one Adorable Pooh
It
because
is
he's adorable.
And this one looks like he's flying a plane.
Yes.
And look at the sparkly gold.
The sparkly gold one looks like it won, like it is the award at
The
The
county
award-
fair.
no in the
The Emmys.
in the 100-acre wood.
These
They
are
have
the
award
Emmys.
shows
These
there?
are. This
I
is-
thought there
you got a
wasn't any
golden Pooh.
competitions.
A golden Pooh, yes.
I didn't know there were competitions in the 100-acre wood.
You haven't been invited.
Yes, neither have I. But
Well, I would like to talk to my attorneys.
Your attorney says we can't get an invite. You're welcome.
we do love this. I do love this special edition Winnie the Pooh Adorable set.
So who's your favorite?
Pooh.
Good call, Mom.
I don't really have a favorite because
Just Pooh.
I just like Pooh. Now, what would be really cool is if they did others with all the characters from the 100-acre wood. That would be
Wink, wink,
cool.
nudge, nudge, Doorables, please listen to my mother.
Do a special
Collection
100-acre
of
wood.
all the 100 acres?
Yes.
Yes.
Who would you want in that set?
All of them.
I want Owl.
What
I
should
want
be the-
Lumpy. I want Lumpy.
Oh,
They
she
have
would
a
like
lump.
lumpy. You have to have
Gopher.
Fliggett. Oh, Gopher.
We haven't seen a gopher.
Yeah.
I don't
haven't
also
seen
know if there's a
Gopher.
Christopher Robin or not. Maybe
There is
in the-
not.
Christopher Robin would be like the bonus.
Oh.
That's a good one. All right.
So-
Well, Mama, anything to tell everybody else about your collection, Peaky?
I love Pooh. And with that, au revoir. Bye,
You should have said
everyone.
I bid you adieu because that
Oh,
rhymes.
that's true. I bid you adieu.
Fantastic.